Nobody needs to know, let go. We stir it up, create rings. We make something out of nothing. If you believe, hold on tight, scream into the night. Make it all glow, dress up inside. You're part of the rainbow, it's your right. Trauma in every cell, no wonder why we dwell. Medicine don't stand a chance as we dance. We lay down, bend on giving. I'll take your skin. Naked among them sins, let go of what has been. Make it all glow, dress up inside. You're part of the rainbow, it's your right. Now let it all show, pave the way for the ones behind. We'll be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out. Or be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out and make it all glow. Dress up inside. You're part of the rainbow, it's your right. Now let it all show, pave the way for the ones behind. Be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out. I said, be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out.
Headlights on the highway. If you only knew, being back here always makes me think of you.
When the world is sleeping, do you think of me? With the road it's coming back again, coming back to me. I remember the long drives, the late nights in your car. I remember it all. Windows down, empty streets. You were all I used to know. You and I, forever, forever ago. And you used to drive me home. Now I drive alone. You and I, forever, forever, forever ago. This town's so quiet, this time of year. With a road that's coming back again, coming back to me. I remember the long drives, the late nights in your car. I remember it all. Windows down, empty streets. You were all I used to know. You and I, forever, forever ago. And you used to drive me home. Now I drive alone. You and I, forever, forever, forever ago. They said it would get easier, but I don't know who for. Days move faster now, I swear. I can feel them slip away. But some things last forever. The love that never fades. It's easy to make promises for the young and free, but you kept every word you said, and you stayed true to me. We lean into the great beyond. There's more love yet to make. 'Cause some things last forever, but love that never fades. He left her slowly as his mind lost more every day. Quietly she walked beside and tended in her way. Now the bed he built for two is cold, but her memories have stayed. Because some things last forever, the love that never fades. Dishes and tears, I'm standing here. I know it sounds cliche. A blanket of this history covers me today. In between the bliss and underneath the ache, in the tenderness, a single thread remains.